Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique. I'm here with another video, and today I have a pasta recipe. I want to show you how to make pasta with vegetables and a cream cheese marinara sauce. And this time when I made the recipe, I used asparagus, zucchini, and yellow squash, but you can use whatever vegetables you like. I don't want you to not make the recipe if you don't like asparagus, if you don't like zucchini or something like that. You can use whatever vegetables you want in this pasta recipe. But this is a very simple pasta dish. It's just a nice way to bump up your marinara sauce by adding a little vegan cream cheese to it. I used my homemade vegan cream cheese in this recipe. And if you haven't tried that recipe, I will leave the little link in the video, and I'll leave a link in the description box and in the comment section, because a few people who tried it have told me on Instagram that they tried that cream cheese recipe and that they loved it. And that's so awesome because it's actually one of my favorite recipes, one of the favorite recipes that I've made. But if you don't want to make homemade vegan cream cheese, then you could just buy store-bought vegan cream cheese like the Kite Hill type or any brand that you want. And I also use my homemade marinara sauce in this recipe. I made a homemade roasted red pepper marinara. But you don't, let me know if you want that recipe. I can definitely do a video on that as well. It's pretty simple. But you can use whatever store-bought marinara sauce you want and whatever store-bought vegan cream cheese you want, and it's pretty easy. You just mix it together, cook your vegetables, add your pasta, and it's super yummy. So let's get to it. I will show you how to make this pasta recipe. I hope you like the video. Share it, leave a comment, and save it on Pinterest. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It is medicine for the soul. So much in my head these days. In the winter sky could fly away. Seem to understand. We search for freedom, a peace for pain. Seem to understand. All made perfect sense. destination doesn't really matter. As much as the road to get there. Gonna take a walk in the snow. It's just like a prayer. People seem to understand my search for freedom, my peaceful game. To understand, but to me it all make perfect sense. Perfect sense.
Hi everyone, it's Monique and I hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you give this recipe a try, especially because it's one of my more simple recipes. I am trying to create a few recipes that are simple. I usually like to use a lot of ingredients and seasonings and maybe ingredients that people have never heard of. But you know, I feel like this is a really great recipe that anyone can make. Most of us can find marinara and pasta and vegan cream cheese these days. It's delicious, and the cream cheese, it does so much for the pasta. It's a simple addition to the sauce, but it really does a lot, especially if you use my homemade vegan cream cheese. But like I said before, you can use store-bought and I'm sure it will be delicious. The asparagus and the zucchini and yellow squash, they still had a lot of bite to them. I didn't overcook them, so they were perfect. The pasta was delicious. This is gluten-free pasta I'm using, so if you if you have endometriosis or any type of health issues that don't allow you to eat gluten, then definitely try gluten-free pasta. I always get the brown rice pasta, but it's delicious. I hope you give it a try. Like the video, share it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!